Poetry because Poetry because I was inspired by wise words from my parents, inspired by the value and belief that shaped me as who I am. Poetry because I was inspired by loved ones who captured my heart, inspired by relatives and also dear friends. Poetry because I was inspired by the time of childhood, inspired by the place of youth. Poetry because I was inspired by the mind, reminiscing the past, inspired by the dreams for better tomorrow. Poetry because I was inspired by the immortal smile captured in pictures, inspired by the beautiful world with nature. Poetry because I was inspired by life, events that happen every day, inspired by the red sunset horizon sky. Poetry because I was inspired by messages which are hard to swallow, inspired by spoken words, so I seize the pen. Poetry because I have emotion and inspiration that I couldn't hide, and have love that is sufficient for all. Thank you.